Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Baseus Storm free earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So to do this, we have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, just open this charging case. And right now they will move to the pairing mode automatically. So you have to go on your Android device to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device. Now wait until they pops on the list. As you can see right now we can find them, so click on them once, accept the pairing. And right now, when you are successfully connected, you are also able to get Baseus application. So we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then go to the Play Store. If you are using the Huawei phones without the Play Store, without the Google services, you can get the G-Space application where you can basically get this Google services, or find this application in the Huawei app gallery. So type Baseus. And we have to download this application. Right now we can take both earbuds from this charging case. Right now let's open it. Accept both permissions. And right now click to add device. As you can see, it is looking for our Storm free earbuds, and we have to click on this dot, then tap to add device. Click OK. Select them from the list, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.